Alright, here's the final one, you guys, of the little snowstorm winter wonderland. My glove on. There you go, this is where we're at. E-bikes, yeah, those are cheating. Run people over, so. We're right here, Shady Oak Lake. I call that Mud Lake, but it's Minnetonka Lake, so. Alright, so that's all our stuff right here. We have, all our trails, stuff. So this goes all the way down to Chaska. They didn't continue on in 41. It's a shame. Stops right there. Carver County. Stupid idiots. But a lot of Hennepin County trails, so let's head back. So I hope you enjoyed the little excursion. I did one for the other channel, Winter Wonderland, like 8 minutes long. So just saw a couple. They're walking back. I could hear a voice. I'm like, where's that coming from? And they came out. So, what's that? And I go, it's a camera. So yeah, starting to snow a little more right now as we head back home. So there we go. All right. So it does have the zoom on. Let me see. Usually it did. So it does have it on there. You go like that. So it does have the zoom, but it should be on the side where it's easy to do it. You should have to hit the screen. So like the flips got right on in there. It should be on the side, so you'll be able to make it a lot easier to touch the screen. So yeah, it's a beautiful day for a walk. Chicken and rice today, but hope you enjoyed I figured, it's snowing outside. Got off work. They called me in the old job. I'm like, let's go for a walk in the snow. We can do a podcast some other time. Let's do some. I was just telling that lady, I was just kind of showing there's more than Minnesota other crap on here, So whatever they get. I did one for the other channel with music, but I don't know. They call these Minnesota snowstorm. I don't know. Walking in Minnesota snowstorm. That's a nice house over there. I walked through it, it's for sale, it's nice. Done some of my snorkeling down in here. This used to be a wooden bridge. The lady up on the hill one day I walked up and she was moving. She showed me a picture looking down up here. It was a wooden bridge, and she told me she had pictures that would take the military guys to war on the train. So they finally cut back this big willow. It was blowing the stuff out. You can tell when they built the house, you see the dirt. I just level that off. So hope you enjoyed it. I had fun walking around in the snow. There, two young people are making a snowman over there. Why not? Perfect day to make some snow. I have my little bench I got from work. That's down there. I put it on there. Someone put it down there, so people use that bench from work down there. They're making a snowman. Good for them. Perfect day to play outside. I can hear someone over there on the other side of the lake. Just, it's a perfect day for a walk with your dog or something. we'll have to come home tomorrow, do some snow blowing. So all both batteries, I used them up pretty good. So got those done. So heck yeah. But yeah, it's a great day to walk. The snow's coming down a little more than it was when I started. Kind of see it. You can see how it's sticking. Look how people have been out here walking. See some paw prints. And the pond over there straight ahead, if you split King in the Hills, when they dug it up for the sewer. Done all my snorkeling down in there. Those got like, some got 100. They're kind of fun to do. Can't wait to take this camera, get a chance to the Caribbean. So, but yeah, just a nice enough day. No long underwear. Get to walk around the camera in the snow in March 24th, 2024. By now, when this comes out on YouTube, you know, did the hunch get in? Did Biden get in? You know, who knows, right? Is he back in? His 47th? We'll see. Who knows? Yep, Shady Oak Lake. Lots of bass in northern. Sunfish, some crappie. We used to slide up here when I was younger, up the hill up there straight ahead. Back in the old days when you could do that at people's property. Now those trees weren't there. We used to slide all the time. Back in the old days when you could do that kind of stuff. Here's the pipe. So what they did is when it comes through my backyard, they dug it up. They dug up wood. So go down there and I did some stuff down there, snorkeling. So anyways, hope you enjoyed it on the DJI Action 4 and 4K. So it's a great camera. Pretty good for open mic. So back to grind tomorrow. Work. So we got 8 now. Just keep it under 10 for the TikTok. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed a little bit of a winter wonderland here in the great state of Minnesota. Right? What the hell? So I guess she sold that house to somebody for $500,000. So nice property. The pool, there's a pool inside full of garbage. I guess she sold it. So it's good to see a developer that wants to make it into something. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I did. We'll see you on the next one, okay? Adventure's over. See ya. After a while.